Alrighty, let's take a look at this guy here. Water moves 4.9 meters per second down a 4.7 diameter pipe at an elevation of 3.8 and a pressure of 1.21. At a different elevation, the pipe widens. It's going to slow down, right? It's at a pressure of that. What is the elevation? So I'm solving for H2. Okay, what is the elevation here? Okay, so let's see. It widens. The pipe is widening. So we have a narrow pipe, and we are at an elevation. Okay, so we have a narrow pipe, and then it's going to go, and it's going to get a little wider. So the pipe is 4.70 centimeters here, and it's 5.90 centimeters there. The velocity is 4.9 meters per second there, and I think we need to figure out this velocity, right? What is V2, right? Okay, so let's do that. So A1 V1 equals A2 V2. So pi times 0.047 divided by 2 squared, right? Times the velocity, 4.9. Just barely fit it in there, right? That's A1, this is A1 V1, right? Equals A2, which is pi times 0.059 over 2, because this is our diameter, right? You got to divide by 2. Squared times, we got to find the V, so V2. Solving for V2. Notice that pi cancels, divided by 2 cancels. Even the fact that we divided these by 100, that cancels, right? So I'm going to go 4.7 squared times 4.9 divided by 5.9 squared is 3 points. So V2 is 3.10948 meters per second. So now we're set. Now I think like we can figure this out with Bernoulli. Okay. This will be place 1. This will be place 2. So pressure 1 plus rho GH1 plus 1/2 rho V1 squared equals pressure 2 plus rho GH2 plus 1/2 rho V2 squared. Okay. Our pressure 1 is 1.21 E5 plus, do we know the elevation? We do. Plus 1,000 times 9.81 times 3.8 plus 1/2 times 1,000. What's our velocity? 4.9. All of this is laminar flow. All right. Equals, what is the pressure? Okay, so here's our pressure. 1.37 E5 plus 1,000 times 9.81. This is our variable, right? We don't know H2, right? Plus 1/2 1,000 times 3.10948 squared, right? Okay. So I'm going to start on this side, subtract this term, and I'll get what equals this term, and then I'll divide by 1,000 and by 9.81. So 1.21 E5 plus 1,000 times 9.81 times 3.8 plus 0.5 times 1,000 times 4.9 squared minus 1.37 E5 minus 0.5 times 1,000 times that number I just got squared. If I hit enter, this is what equals this. Okay, so now I'm going to divide by 1,000. Divide by 9.81. I should have the height 2.89999999. So H2 is 2.8. There's a lot of 9s, 3 9s. Suffice it to say 2.90 is good enough, right? Ta-da.